Well, starting to cool off and change is in the air.
It is. It is. I enjoyed it though. I mean, you know what's interesting? Mainers, if you pop an 86 on them in July, they might complain. But something about it happening in October, we know it's like...
That's a good point.
Right? Like
yeah.
86 is a number that a lot of people are like, oh, so hot. I mean, the dew points are lower, but it's really about the season, I think. Just being like, well, this is probably it. I think I can get through this. 82 is what we got to in Sanford today. 85 in Freiburg. The coast was in the 70s because of the onshore flow. But look up towards Greenville. Crazy to be on, Moosehead Lake, and it's 80 degrees in almost mid-October. That's not something that happens all that often. How often does it happen? Well, it's funny. I had that already set up. Typically, our average last degree day, 80-degree day in Portland is September 22nd. So obviously way past that. Bangor is September 16th. So we had one today, and Portland had one yesterday. Latest, though, there's always extremes here, is Halloween, 1946, and then in Bangor, October 22nd. And then last year was mid-September. So way, way above average as far as our last 80-degree day, if this is indeed the last one, which I think that it is, most likely. We've got this cold front coming towards us, so in the short term, this is going to knock temperatures down, and we've got some rain with that too, in through central and northern Oxford County. That rain will come down from northwest to southeast overnight tonight. Heaviest after midnight for most of us into the early morning hours, and during the morning commute, it's pretty rainy across most of the state. Moderate rain, some heavy bursts embedded in that, temperatures in the 60s. After that, it becomes a bit of a split state forecast where I think the mountains and New Hampshire will actually clear out through late morning, middle of the day, and see some sun. But along the coast, I think the rain lingers through at least the middle of the day, and in down East Maine, perhaps into the early afternoon, and the clouds linger too. So it's probably a late clear here, if anything. We're talking 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and given the fact that the sun sets around 6, there's not a lot of time in there. So that's why it's a bit of a split state forecast. Temperatures fall overnight into the 40s and 30s, and it is much cooler on Thursday. Highs only in the 50s. The mountains highs only in the 40s. As far as rainfall, about 3/4 to an inch of rain. We'll take what we can get. We've established that it will take a lot more than that to knock us out of the drought. Friday looks good. Saturday looks good. We still have to watch this low on Sunday into Monday. The European model keeping the low to our south as high pressure holds. The GFS holds it too, but it's very close, right? That rain's right on the border. So that's why we still have watching the low on Monday, because I think there's a chance it could spin up and give us some showers. But right now we keep us dry. Temperatures around 60 over the weekend. It's not going to be all that warm. Well, I don't know. It's going to be normal, actually, statistically, and that will continue into early next week. But as I mentioned, you can temperature forecast out farther than you can precipitation forecast, and I'm looking out 10 days, 12 days. I don't see anything that even approaches 80, which is why I think we probably shut it down for the year. It was a good year. We'll hang it up and see you in the spring, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we will. All right. Thanks, Keith.